Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete other system data on iPhone. But before I continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, start the Status app on your phone. And now at the top you have to tap the Safari at the search bar, or you have to scroll it down until you find the Safari option. Here you are. I'm gonna open it right now. And again you have to scroll it down, and here you will see clear history and website data. Just tap on it. Then in the pop-up, tap clear history and data. And after that, go to the message here, and now scroll it down again. You will see message history section. Tap on the keep message option. Choose a time period to keep message, such as 1 year or even just 30 days or forever here. As you can see, currently mine is forever and I don't want it to change it. So if you want to choose 1 year, here just tap on it and you just have to tap on the delete button here. So yeah guys, that's it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.